stand back a little bit because I have my phone sitting up in the window and it's creating like weird shadows, as you can see on my hand. But I wanted to go ahead and do my Ipsy box. So I just got, this is the Boxycharm. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So of course the first thing in here is just this like Boxycharm like magazine thing. So that is the first thing that I get in here. And then let's open it up and see. So first thing in here is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Blush. So this is what it looks like. I don't know. Okay, there we go. So it looks like that, and this is in coconut. Let's see if I can open this up here. I have a sample size of the Tarte blush like this, which I really like, so I'm curious exactly what this color is. So this is a cream blush. I have the powder, but this one is like a cream. That is what it looks like. I don't know if that might be a little bit dark on me, but we will see. I will test it out for you guys. Next up in here is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil. So it is this. And this is in plastic. So let me go ahead and try and get this off. I don't like to open anything before I start filming because I kind of like to do like a first reaction for the most part. But at the same time, I almost feel like I should, just so that I can remove all of like the outer packaging, because it's really hard sometimes for me to get into this stuff. Like this one is like actually quite difficult, which I'm glad it's packaged well, because if it's in a store, I want it to be packaged well, but my goodness, give me just a second. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, and this yours is going to be in the color Jade. I don't know how well anything is picking up because of the way the sun is, but let's see. I don't know. I feel like it's impossible to not rip these boxes, or I'm just doing a really bad job today at opening everything, which is also very possible. Oh, I remember this. Okay. So, first of all, this packaging, as you can see in the light, it's like kind of like a chrome. And this is actually a jade pencil, but it's like a chrome. So, that is the tip of it. I'm actually going to do a little bit on my hand just to kind of see. So I have it on my hand there. I don't know how well this is picking up, but it's supposed to kind of like change color in the light. So I think it's really pretty. I'm excited to try that. The next thing that I have in here is from Mo Beauty. It is the Finely Defined Precision Brow Brush, which I needed another one, so I went ahead and I'm glad that I got that. I don't know if I chose this or not. I never remember which thing I actually picked out. But I think this might be one of the ones that I chose because I did need one of these. Okay, so you've just got this little brush like this, and then you have the brow pencil. This is actually kind of thick. I don't know how I feel about the thickness of it, but I will give it a shot and see. So that is that. Next up, I absolutely do not need this, but this was included. I did not choose this one. I do remember that. So this is another palette. So this is the Laura Geller Laura's Essentials Soft Satins 6 matte eyeshadows and 2 highlighters. So the packaging looks like this. It's very, very pretty packaging. I'm actually going to go cut this so I don't mess it up. So like I said, very, very beautiful packaging. I really like how it looks. And on the inside, they even have it like pressed down. I'm not even going to take that off. So this is what the colors and everything look like. Let's see if I can hold it out of that like shadow. But those are super pretty. I'm very excited to try these. These are definitely things that I will use. So, okay, my recording just cut off, but I have one more thing. So this is pretty hefty. I think it might be glass, but this is the Amika Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment, which I don't know if you guys can tell. My hair is just a little bit, it feels kind of dry and stuff, so I want to try this. But this is the packaging, and then let's go ahead and see on the inside what it looks like. I really do think this is going to be glass because it's either glass or it's very like, oh no, it's plastic, so it has a lot of product in it. I guess it might be because I'm not used to getting full sizes. I have to get used to that more. You would think I would be used to it now, but anyways, this is the Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment. And it says, give your mane a burst of intense moisture and softness. This leave-in treatment deeply hydrates damp or dry strands overnight, resulting in silkier looking hair. Apply on damp or dry hair before bedtime. Spread a pump into your hands and distribute from mid-links to ends. No rinse in the morning. So I'm hoping that this will help my hair kind of feel better. Because like I said, it's feeling kind of dry, which I'm not loving. So I'm going to give this a shot. I will be doing reviews. I'm sorry I haven't been writing them. You guys have seen me like trying to film and stuff. It hasn't been great lately. So I also haven't really been getting around to writing stuff. I promise like I am getting to them, and I do actually have some written, I just haven't posted yet. So I am working on it. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys.